Wow, we got this awesome aquarium stand. Let's do it.
This is an awesome aquarium stand. Putting it together was so easy with the instructions here. Pretty straightforward, but the wood finish on this aquarium stand is so awesome and feels so premium. I loved it, and it definitely will liven up any space you put it at. And it has two different sections, a bigger compartment and a smaller. This bigger compartment I used for like my aquarium books and magazines there, but you can use it for any other thing you want as well. In the smaller compartment, I just used my fish food filters and my water test kit to help with that as well. And on the side, you got a power adapters right there. So you got two outlets and two USB outlets to help with your cord management, which is a plus. But here is the overall look of this aquarium stand. Looks very nice and helps you organize as well. And here is the side view profile. I love how this looks and functions. And the metal on this stand is very nice and durable as well.
And I definitely would recommend.